This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials that immediately improve sharpness. Clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and blower so you remove particles that soften contrast. Then choose a faster shutter speed or raise ISO to prevent motion blur. This trades noise for clarity, but is reversible with denoising. Once done, enable image stabilization and shoot bursts to increase your chance of a sharp frame. Make sure focus mode matches the subject, single for still, continuous for movement, and lock focus before recomposing. Now refine technique and capture settings to maximize detail retention. You should shoot RAW because it preserves sensor data, letting you recover fine detail during processing. RAW gives latitude for sharpening without artifacts. Use manual focus or back button focus to avoid hunting. Verify focus with magnified live view. Stabilize with a tripod, lower mirror action, and a remote release or 2-second timer to remove camera shake. Once you have several RAW frames, pick the sharpest for post-work and keep exposure neutral. Finish by restoring and enhancing sharpness in post. You should start with global exposure and contrast corrections, then apply selective sharpening to edges while avoiding halos. Use high-pass or detail masks for control. If needed, test Blurry or AI-based tools on a copy and compare results. Sometimes stacking multiple frames improves detail more naturally. Make sure to sharpen before final resizing. Troubleshooting tip: if results remain soft, go back to capture steps. Focus accuracy, shutter speed, and stabilization are the most common root causes to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.